So we fixed all the corners now. So next step for us is to do uprights, and we got two here. So the bottom will be fixed same way, but what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to shift our posts 25 mm back from the front of the post, because the client wants cladding go all the way to the door frame, and hence why we're gonna have to do that, set it back. So basically it means being pretty much flush with the brick, and what we'll do, we'll notch it in like so, and that is to stop it moving, and it will give some sort of strength as well. So yeah, so that's what we're doing next. I'm marking the first one out, and we'll just crack on. just a quick catch-up. I wanted to share with you how you can quickly and accurately measure uprights when doing stud walls. So you've probably seen these electric tape measures. So what I do, you put your plate like I did, top bottom, mark positions of where your uprights will be. Make sure it's touching where you want it to be. In this case, we want to see a dot. So it'll give you a dot. Press measure, get your reading. We get your reading and add 1 millimeter on top, and that way you're gonna have perfect measurement for every upright you're doing. Especially it will save you time if you're doing the old wall, you know, old sort of refurb or something like that, when things aren't straight, so where every upright will be different height. And the reason being, you want to add the millimeter so it's not too loose, so it's tight in the opening. And yeah, I hope you find it useful. So yeah, this is how you can utilize these lovely helpful tools. I hope you find it useful, and I will catch up with you in a bit. So just an update, everyone. That's where we are. I'm finishing off the studs. So we got two to do, two little studs here, and then we will be off to OSBing the inside. You're probably wondering why I have gone on to the edge with the upright. Reason being because we got 18 mil, not 18 mil, sorry, 11 mil of OSB going on there. Also we got these braces to put. Well, they will be visual only. We won't be doing mortise and tenon as you would if it would be open plan. I just obviously save time. And time equals money, so they will be done, but visually. So we'll have 11 mil OSB cut in here, and that will strengthen everything up. And on outside we will have a felt, breather felt, and cladding, a feather edge, old feather edge cladding, like so. So the obviously breather membrane will help prevent anything getting inside. If there's a split, say in the timber, which could happen, then obviously that will stop it from getting wet. And yeah, so that's where we are. I have a set stud wall 5 mil deeper than the brickwork, and reason being I'll groove the first one out, first featherish, so it laps over the brick, and that way it creates the drip so no water can get in that way or under the stud wall. So also what you can do is apply, once this had felt, you can apply a silicone bead, so that will stop like you would do on doors all the way around, except the bottom, because the bottom will lap it, and well, you can do it on the bottom as well, just to prevent moisture getting inside. So just a normal general silicone, but don't go too mad because you don't want to get it everywhere, smudge it everywhere. So that will help, obviously, when on a movement it will sort of keep elements out from getting through. So yeah, that's where we are. I hope you've been enjoying, and I catch up with you in a bit. So now that we've finished with our studs, next job for us is to cut OSB sheets. So we're gonna be cutting them in to support our wall, and we'll be using nail gun to nail it into the studs. Yeah, so that's our next job. And after that we will be putting a membrane on outside for us to be ready to do the cladding. That's where we are, and I will catch up with you in a bit. Right, so we have OSB'd everything. We are ready for next stage, which will be felt, and I think after felt we're gonna start pitching the roof just to make it all weather tight as soon as possible, and also it will lock everything in. So just so you can see from outside, we got that uprights and everything's sort of ready to go. Put our felt on, breather felt on, and yeah, then we're gonna crack on with the pitching the roof, getting weather tight, and we'll just crack on. Hope you're enjoying it, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.